Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to compare the 8K video playback support test between the Realme X2 Pro versus the Poco F3 device. As you can see friends, the Poco F3 has got recently launched with a new chipset which is a Snapdragon 870 processor. So whereas the Realme X2 Pro which has got the 855 plus chipset. So I'm using this Realme X2 Pro for the past 1 year, 1.5 years I think, close to. So it's been a very good experience using this Realme X2 Pro, and recently the Poco F3 has also got launched, and which is also called as the Redmi K40 as well, which has a Snapdragon 870 chipset. So let's see friends, in this video I'll try to play the 8K video in both the phones, and let's compare which phone will be able to play better and fast and smoother as well. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more interesting videos like this friends. I'll try to do so many in-depth comparison with other smartphones, and also follow my playlist for each and every smartphone to get to know latest information. So let's begin the test by opening the 8K video playing. So right now I'm playing the 8K video footage friends in both the phones directly, as you can see here in the Realme X2 Pro and in the Poco F3 device, and they both are playing kind of very smooth and without any much problem. But one thing to notice is that I was using the hardware decoder in both the phones. So same kind of hardware decoder I'm using, so not the software one. So same decoder I'm using, and it's working perfectly fine in both the devices without any kind of issues, as you can see. So both are performing at same speed. So I cannot see any much delay between the both 870 versus 855 plus. So both are doing very much a good job and great job. So usually only few processors will be able to support and play 8K video directly from your device. So I was just checking which processor is kind of powerful enough to play this kind of high resolution videos like 8K. So that is the main motive of me doing this kind of videos. Not every day we don't use the 8K videos for watching video songs or anything those. So just as a future-proof option, in case in the future if you get a chance to play the 8K video, that you should know whether your device is actually supported or not. So that's why every time I'll try to include this kind of in-depth comparisons. So right now you can see friends, it's perfectly same time and playing very smooth in 855 plus versus this Poco F3 device. So both are doing very good job, as you can clearly see. So right now let me try to go through the specifications of this video. So properties, you can see 7680 into 4320. It's playing at 30 frame rates, as you can see friends. So both are kind of same kind of resolution I am trying to play, and both are working perfectly alright in both phones without any much kind of issues. So thank you friends for watching this video, and for more videos make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.